Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode. So today I got me a camera bag that I have been waiting to upgrade for a very long time. My previous camera bag, the zipper is pretty much not working anymore. And so I figured today is a good day for me to just go ahead and unbox this because I want to use this backpack on my trip. So anyway, let's go ahead and do it and see how good this thing is. So if you guys don't know K&F Concept, they do a lot of camera gears. Yeah, I've gotten a lot of camera gears from them throughout the years. I believe I have a tripod, I have some filter from them, and they also do tons of other stuff. This is the first time that I've ever seen a backpack from them, so I'm really excited about this one. By the way, I did pay this with my own money, so FYI, this is not sponsored whatsoever, which I think they really should sponsor me. What do you guys think? The kind of gears that I'm carrying around is an A7 IV along with a couple of lenses. I primarily use prime lenses, so they are a little bit like smaller than zoom lens, but still, I carry around a couple of them because obviously you guys know you can't just go with one prime lens. You need two focal lengths. One is like a wide angle and one is more of like a portrait lens. That's the reason why I usually carry 2 to 3 lenses. Anyway, this bag looks fantastic. So right out of the bag right away, you notice it doesn't get crushed, even though it's, you know, in a tight bag like that. So there are some cushion in there so that it doesn't crush your camera gear, and that's what I'm really looking for. The second thing that I'm looking for is the side pockets right here. I kind of need access to a side pocket like this because what I want to do is I want to carry it on my back, but then I also want to spin it around from my back to the front and just kind of grab things out of here. Speaking of grab things out of here, let's go ahead and take a look what's inside here real quick. I wonder what this is. Okay, so this is a rain cover for your backpack. In case, you know, you're in the jungle or something like that, you can cover this over your backpack. Yeah, pretty cool. I've seen some camera bags that have this, so I will be keeping that. This right here, nice buckle. Okay, got the luggage slider right here, which, you know, if you're traveling, this is what you're gonna need. The back actually feels really good. I actually do like this material right here. So right here, look at this. This is almost like a memory foam of some sort. I don't know. What is it? But I actually do like this a lot more than the... Let me show you. Here we go. What I don't like is these material right here on my back. I don't know why, but this thing makes me itchy and I sweat quite a bit with this type of material. So they've gone and used just pretty much straight memory foam right here. So I'm glad that they changed that up. By the way, I did not mention that this bag right here is a 20L. Basically what that means is that there's a smaller size of this, and then there's also a bigger size as well. So depending on how big your body frame is, that's how you kind of pick the bag, all right? I didn't know that. I didn't know that there was different sizes. But yeah, this is a 20L. This is like the medium size. Okay, so anyway, with this right here, obviously you guys saw this. You got some battery placement here. You got some memory card here, which, by the way, they're pretty much the same pockets. Not sure if I can fit, how many batteries can I fit in here? That's what I want to know. Probably just one. I'm using Sony A7 IV, so probably just one battery. They got all the standard buckle and things like that in front here, so no problem there. So it's just like my old one, which I like. I like those. When you're like hiking and stuff like that, you kind of need this little strap right here. It makes you feel a lot more comfortable. All right, so on the side, on this other side, there's this pocket for you to put, you know, whatever you want to put, which to me, more like water bottle and things like that. This thing right here is elastic on the side right here. So that's nice. There's some room there, and it's pretty deep. down here. Very deep. Oh, look. Okay, so this is like this hook kind of system. All right, very nice. Okay, so once you open this up, there is a pocket right here. Pretty much it comes to about this much right here. Okay. This is a tripod area. So you can mount your tripod through here. You can, then you can tighten it up right there. Okay. Bag. Now let's, first zipper on the top here is, okay, so this is kind of like a laptop compartment of some sort. No, it's not. This is the actual main camera compartment right here. Next up, let's go behind here. Okay, so that opens it all up so that you can actually, got it. So this is just the top area where you can access it quickly, but here is where you play with everything. So right here, guys, this is what it would look like right here, so that the entire thing wouldn't just fall, you know. So let's say if you have this on your back right here and suddenly someone unzipped, you know, this entire area, it would just be like that. So it wouldn't, your entire lens and stuff like that wouldn't just fall flat to the ground, since this is still on your back. So very nice, very good system right there. I'm gonna keep that thing on there because with me being as clumsy as I am, I will probably lose all my lens. Okay, so I think the third most important thing for me, looking at just pretty much any backpack, fanny pack, or any camera bags that I have, is how good is the zipper. So far, this zipper feels really good. I actually hate my other bag because the zipper always gets stuck for some reason, but this seemed to be working very well. Yeah, so anyway, guys, that's it right there. That's the K&F Concept camera bag. This is my first camera bag from them. So I'm gonna travel with this actually this weekend. So I'll let you guys know how it goes. Totally love it. Have a good one. Bye-bye.